you have a matchmaking error in Star Wars Hunters. Okay, we are going to solve this problem. Okay, the first fix for solve this problem is you go to the Play Store or App Store. Okay, and you go to the Star Wars. Okay, in search you put the Star Wars Hunters. Okay, and wait, and you click in the game and you update. Okay, if you have a update on App Store or Play Store of the game Star Wars Hunters. Okay, and the second fix, you go to the settings of your phone. Okay, and you go to the section apps. Okay, on Android or in iPhone, you scrolling down. Okay, and you go to the Star Wars Hunters. Okay, and here in Android you clear cache. Okay, and in iPhone, okay, you activate, okay, this option. Okay, and you solve this problem. Bye bye.